welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a new book from the Savans Who Am I collection of wild animals. And the book that we have a review today is Savan Who Am I Tiger. So basically this is a book from Savan, a board book basically, and it is full of fun facts about tigers, the national animal of India. So guys, let's look at this book, and today we are going to review it, and we are going to talk about the quality of the book and what are the advantages of the book for your child and stuff. So let's get down to the review of this book. So guys, this is the board book here, the Who Am I Tiger book from Savan. It's from Manoj Publications, and right here you can see that it doesn't come like a normal book. It comes in a fancy shape. Right now this is a fancy shaped book which totally attracts the kids towards it because it comes in the shape of the tiger right here. You can see it's not like a rectangular book that you'll have. It comes in the shape of a tiger. Next best thing about this is it's a board book, so that your kids can't easily tear it. So it's made out of high quality cardboard here, and it has a glossy finish to it, plus like it has that lamination finish which makes it very easy to clean. Say a child drops some food on it, it's very easy to clean. You just wipe it off with a cloth and it is clean. So you can look at this, the amazing bright and colorful pictures that are there in the book. Plus the next best thing about this is that it is full of bright and colorful high contrast pictures here, and the image to text ratio is very high. There's a lot of image on the page which is covering it, and there's very little text on it. So in this book there are a total of 10 facts about tigers, and then there are various images of tigers. You can see this, there are various images of tigers here, beautiful images here. You can see this, there's a white tiger here and shown here as well. Such amazing images which really keep the child interested in the book. And the overall quality of the book, the material used is amazing. Really a good quality cardboard here, and very easy to clean. Like even if your child drops something on it. Plus it is highly durable and it won't easily tear. The wear and tear of the book is less because it is made out of cardboard. Now coming to the price of this book, the MRP is ₹80. It's a book from Manoj Publications, and apart from this book there are various other titles available in this series. Like in wild animals you also get giraffe, you get bear, you get panda, you get elephant, hippo, dinosaur, lion, monkey, owl, kangaroo, wolf, rhinoceros. You also have the farm animal edition, in which you get cat, cow, dog, duck, goat, horse, rabbit, like domestic animals those are. Then you have water animals like dolphin, octopus, penguin, shark, turtle. Then you get transports like aeroplane, ship, bus, train, car. You also have books on professions, giving facts about professions like doctor, pilot, astronaut, firefighter, teacher, policeman, nurse, engineer, scientist and farmer. So amazing series of book, a definite must buy for toddlers to learn about these things. So it is always good to get your child interested in the books rather than giving them a phone and letting them watch things on YouTube. Books are always better for them to gain knowledge. They will spend lots and lots of time on the books because they have such amazing images in it, such bright and fancy images, and the way the book looks itself attracts them to the book. So guys, yes, this was my review about the Savan Who Am I Tiger book, and I have more such books in line to review, so which I'll be reviewing in my further videos, so stay tuned for that. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And guys, if you are looking to buy this book from Savan, the Savan Who Am I Tiger book, I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from Amazon.